The Trans-African Highway, Africa's longest road network. Africa is building one of the most ambitious infrastructure projects in human history. $56,600-kilometer highway network that will connect the entire continent from north to south, and from east to west. This is the Trans-African Highway, also known as TAR, the road that could unite Africa. What is the Trans-African Highway? The Trans-African Highway is not just a single road. It's a network of 9 major highways connecting almost every region of Africa. The goal is to make it possible to drive from Cairo to Cape Town, or from Dakar to Mombasa, without leaving the continent. In total, the project covers over 56,600 kilometers and passes through more than 50 countries. Each segment is managed by individual countries, with financial and technical support from international partners such as the World Bank, the European Union, and China Harbour Engineering Company, CHEC. It's a joint effort to connect Africa's cities, markets, and people. Many sections are already completed or under construction. Here are the 9 major Trans-African highway routes, the countries they cross, and their approximate distances. One. Cairo-Dakar Highway, TAR 1, 8,636 kilometers. Passes through Egypt, Libya, Tunisia, Algeria, Morocco, Western Sahara, Mauritania, Senegal. This northern coastal route connects North Africa from the Red Sea to the Atlantic Ocean. Many sections are already complete, especially in countries like Egypt, Nigeria, Kenya, and South Africa. However, challenges remain, including poor road maintenance, security issues, climate barriers, and funding shortages, particularly in remote desert or jungle areas. Despite this, construction continues steadily, with support from governments and international partners. Total budget. The total cost of completing the Trans-African Highway network is estimated to exceed $60 billion. This covers new construction, rehabilitation of existing roads, and long-term maintenance. When fully completed, Trans-African Highway connects Africa's future. It will boost intra-African trade under the AfCFTA, African Continental Free Trade, create millions of jobs, improve tourism and transport efficiency, strengthen regional cooperation, and promote Africa's economic independence and unity. Imagine driving from Cape Town to Cairo, or from Lagos to Mombasa, without having to stop for multiple border checks. A connected Africa means a stronger Africa, economically, politically, and socially.